Are mosquitoes vital to ecosystem health? Exploring their impact. Introduction. Mosquitoes are among the most despised insects on the planet. Their itchy bites and ability to spread deadly diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika virus make them seem like little more than flying pests. But could these blood-sucking nuisances actually play a crucial role in maintaining ecosystem health? While the knee-jerk reaction might be to eradicate them entirely, nature rarely operates in absolutes. Let's dive into the hidden world of mosquitoes and explore their ecological importance. Mosquitoes as a food source. One of the most significant roles mosquitoes play is as a primary food source for various creatures. From the moment they hatch as aquatic larvae, they become prey for fish, amphibians, and other aquatic organisms. Species like mosquito fish, gambusia, and dragonfly larvae rely on mosquito larvae as a primary component of their diet. As adult mosquitoes, they continue to serve as an important food source for bats, birds, spiders, and other insectivores. Many bird species, such as swallows and purple martins, feast on adult mosquitoes in midair, while nocturnal bats consume them in large quantities. Spiders also capture mosquitoes in their webs, helping to control their numbers naturally. Without mosquitoes, these predators might face food shortages, disrupting the food chain. Mosquitoes as pollinators. Though they are notorious for their bites, not all mosquitoes feed on blood. In fact, only female mosquitoes require blood for egg production. The primary food source for both male and female mosquitoes is nectar from flowers. As they move from flower to flower in search of nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen, aiding in plant reproduction. Some plant species are specifically adapted to mosquito pollination. Orchids of the genus Platanthera, for example, rely on mosquitoes to transfer pollen between flowers. Without mosquitoes, these plants could struggle to reproduce, potentially reducing biodiversity. Nutrient cycling in aquatic ecosystems. Mosquito larvae play a vital role in nutrient cycling within aquatic ecosystems. Living in stagnant water bodies, they feed on organic matter, algae, and detritus, helping to break down decomposing materials. This activity not only recycles nutrients back into the ecosystem, but also keeps water bodies from becoming overly polluted with organic waste. Moreover, mosquito larvae contribute to oxygenation in water by moving and filtering debris, creating healthier environments for other aquatic organisms. Their role in decomposition ensures that nutrients remain available for the entire ecosystem, benefiting everything from microorganisms to larger predators. Mosquitoes and disease, a double-edged sword. Despite their ecological benefits, mosquitoes are undeniably responsible for transmitting some of the most dangerous diseases known to humankind. The Anopheles mosquito spreads malaria, while Aedes mosquitoes transmit dengue fever, Zika virus, and chikungunya. These diseases have devastating impacts on human populations, making mosquito control a top priority for public health efforts worldwide. However, this raises an ethical and ecological question. If we were to eradicate mosquitoes entirely, what would be the consequences? While some argue that removing disease-carrying mosquitoes would save millions of lives, others worry about the unintended consequences of such an action. Would their ecological roles be filled by other insects, or would there be lasting disruptions? Can we control mosquitoes without destroying the ecosystem? Given the dual nature of mosquitoes, both as ecosystem contributors and disease vectors, scientists are exploring ways to control their populations without eliminating them entirely. Some promising methods include genetic modification. Scientists have developed genetically modified mosquitoes that either cannot reproduce or carry genes that prevent them from transmitting diseases. By releasing these modified mosquitoes into the wild, their populations can be reduced without harming non-target species. Biological control. Introducing natural mosquito predators, such as certain fish and bacteria, like Bacillus thuringiensis israelensis, BTI, can reduce mosquito larvae without the use of chemical pesticides. And habitat management. Reducing stagnant water sources in urban areas can help prevent mosquito breeding while preserving their role in natural ecosystems. Conclusion: mosquitoes may be a nuisance and a health hazard, but they are far from useless. As pollinators, prey, and contributors to nutrient cycling, they play significant roles in ecosystem health. While disease control remains a priority, efforts should focus on sustainable management rather than outright eradication. Nature operates in delicate balances, and even the most unlikely creatures have their place in maintaining the world's ecosystems. Next time you swat at a mosquito, consider the intricate web of life it supports. Though that probably won't stop you from wishing they'd leave you alone.